Okay friends, a very good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Arpita Avasthi, in the capacity of Executive Director, Dr. Viren Swarup Educational Foundation, Professional Institutes, and Principal, Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Computer Studies. Today, I had an opportunity and I want to interact with all the students of BCA and BBA, the newly admitted 2020 of our three institutions, that is Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Computer Studies, Dayanand Academy of Management Studies, and Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Professional Studies. Friends, as you know, we are right now into this pandemic, and we all pray to God that gradually this pandemic should get over and we should be back to our business on regular basis. But we have to see that the show must go on. So we thought that before the regular classes start, we should go for online orientation, so that there should be some briefing about the institution, about the course, and it is your right to know and understand where you are going, for what course you are going, to which organization you are going. It is very important for you all to understand. So this is going to be a first online orientation, and I hope that you all have read the prospectus जो आपको मिला था. This prospectus, जितने भी newly admitted students हैं, you all have got this prospectus. Read this prospectus very carefully. If you're going to read this very carefully, you're going to get to know each and everything about us. The foundation, which is one of the oldest foundation and the biggest foundation of the country. We are having so many degree colleges, so many schools, and 3 professional institutes in Kanpur. So this is one of the biggest educational foundation, having colleges, degree colleges like DAV College, DBS College, Mahila Mahavidyalaya, so many schools, and a very reputed schools of Kanpur, Dr. Viren Swarup Education Center, and our 3 professional institutes. These 3 institutions were started in the year 1998, and proudly speaking, we were one of the oldest self-financed institution of Kanpur. We started with the MCA program at Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Computer Studies, and MBA program at Dayanand Academy of Management Studies, Govindnagar. All the 3 institutions are a part of Dr. Viren Swarup Educational Foundation. So, first of all, before starting this orientation, let me congratulate to you all. You all have cleared your class 10+2 during this pandemic, and this is once in a century. Last time we heard this pandemic was in the year 1919, and that was a Spanish flu, and it took almost more than a year to vanish. But we all pray to God that things should settle down as soon as possible, so you all should be back to the institution for your further studies. Hopefully we all are planning that we are going to start your academics online from 1st of October 2020. These 2 courses, that is BCA and BBA, we are running in our 3 institutions, and proudly we say that the intake what we have is the largest intake in the northern India, and especially for the BCA. At Viren Swarup Institute of Computer Studies, we have got 600 students intake allotted by the university, that is CSGM University. We have got BBA course over here with the intake of 160 seats. At Dayanand Academy of Management Studies, we have intake of BCA with 120 seats and intake of BBA with 420 seats. So, and also in our 3rd institution, that is Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Professional Studies, we are running the BBA course. So altogether, we have got an intake of 1400 students for the UG course, BCA and BBA. Students, this is going to be your second school. I know you all have finished your schooling, and now you're going to be a part of a college, or should say a professional institution, and different dreams are there you're coming up into an professional institution. But let me assure you that you are going to get something very good from our institutions. As you have read in the prospectus, you have come to the institution for the counseling. Many have met me and many have met to the HODs and to the other teachers. And there's a huge demand for our UG course because we feel that this is the best opportunity in Kanpur after 10+2. We are running this BBA BCA in a very professional way. Apart from academics, we have got so many extracurricular activities. We have got our sports activities and ample space we have for sports activities. There's a ground adjacent to DBS College that belongs to the foundation. We have got our own cricket ground cum stadium at that is known as DAV ground at Malwood, Kanpur, where so many league matches also take place. So be sure to yourself that you are in a very safe hands and you have chosen the best course in this era, at least I can say. Now, during this pandemic, there were so many questions creeping in the mind of students, creeping in the mind of parents, what to do after 10+2. And might be many of you जिनको ये लग रहा होगा कि हमें बाहर जाके पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए. And people have dreams. Different people have different dreams. We are going to study in Pune, we are going to study in Bangalore, we are going to study in Mumbai. So now we are stuck in Kanpur. Believe me, you have chosen the right course. You are on a right track, and if you are going to work hard with us, and the way and the systematic methodology what we have, you are going to achieve something very good from it. We have got very good, excellent teachers, and I proudly say that I am serving this institution since the past 22 years. 90% of the faculty members are with me since past more than 15 years. They are well experienced. They know how to carry you, and they are going to work with you as a family member. I underline this word, they are going to work you as a family member. Apart from being a mentor, they are going to guide you for so many things. Because here, taking this noble cause, we want to make you a good human being. We have got very good training programs over here, especially for the BCA. Because the placement activities what we have, we are giving an excellent opportunity to the students. I am having a track record right now over here on my table. Last year, of a batch of 600 students, we were able to place 393 students from BCA. Companies like Infosys, Genpact, Capgemini, British Telecom, and so many others were there. 393 students were selected and finally placed. And similarly for BBA also, of our 3 institutions, we have got more than 100 placements. And I give you a guarantee, students, that this is the best opportunity, this is the best institution. We are providing quality education, one of the finest training programs, and the outstanding placements. Because we really mean our business. We feel at the end of the year, we should place you in such a good organization that the other competitive courses, you should not feel ki I have missed this or I have missed that. So be sure you are going to get something very good over here, and I believe that in a very near future you are going to be allowed to come to the institution for the regular classes. Gradually, as the reports I read, I feel by next month, say by October, this pandemic is going to gradually start ending up. And we pray to God, we pray to Almighty that this pandemic should end up as soon as possible. So the regular activities, the in-house activities, so you all start coming to the institution and the regular classes start over here also. But be sure, right now we are following all government guidelines, whatever government, because being affiliated to CSGM University Kanpur and one of the biggest college of BCA and BBA of CSGM University Kanpur, we are following all the guidelines what government is imposing on us. So we'll be starting with the online classes from 1st of October, and all teachers are well trained up in order to take online classes. We are going to start a syllabus online, and gradually, as soon as the government allows us, you are going to be in the campus for the other activities, academics, and all the things which is a part of our methodology in order to cater you, in order to become one of the best students of Dr. Viren Saroop Educational Foundation. At last, I feel no doubt you have taken the right decision. You are with us. You're a part of our family. You're a part of a family now of Dr. Viren Saroop Educational Foundation. Now leave things on us. Leave things on the teachers. They are your mentors. They are a part of your family. Even many a times I've seen my faculty members, they are working beyond the lines. They are helping you beyond the lines, beyond the curriculum. They are helping you in order to shape you, in order to guide you, in order to motivate you, in order to make you a good human being. Because we mean business from here. You're investing to us. You're giving your 3 years, 3 precious years to us. We are bound to give you the best education, quality education, in the best of mode, whether online or offline, whatever the government allows us. And at last, if you follow our methodology, follow properly the training programs, you are going to get the best placements from here. So be sure you have to be disciplined. Follow what your mentors say, follow what your HODs guide you, follow what your section in charges guide you, follow what your seniors guide you. And you're going to get something good. And I'm very hopeful that in the near future, very soon you're going to come to the institution and your classes are going to start from there. So all the best. For any queries, you can visit to the institution and meet me personally. Thank you. Thank you.